see in front of you are chits. Please be so kind that you pick up a chit. Pick a chit and give it to Pranavi. Pranavi will read it for herself and show it to our audience. What you are supposed to do is guess the destination by asking Pranavi questions. Yes or no questions.
Okay.
You get 10 questions and your guesses are also questions. Like it will,
Okay.
मतलब वो 10 में से एक निकल जाएगा अगर guess किया तुमने. So guess carefully. Ask 10 questions. Have to be yes or no. You need to figure them out and figure out the destination.
Is it in North India?
Yes.
Is it a mountain destination?
Yes.
Is it in Himachal Pradesh?
Yes.
Is it offbeat?
Not anymore. No.
Is it famous for any adventure sport?
Not really. No.
Kullu? Kullu में? Is it in Kullu?
No. Close. नहीं. कुल्लू में कहाँ?
नहीं.
वो डिस्ट्रिक्ट में ही नहीं आता ये जगह.
कुल्लू district.
आता है?
Let me check.
आता है?
Is it Jibhi?
Yes. Okay. Is it in the north?
Yes.
Is it a forest destination? If I divide the map from north to south,
Horizontally or vertically?
vertically.
Okay.
Is it in the left?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Right में कहाँ से है?
right में. It's not on the left.
मतलब when you look at the map, it falls on the right.
Okay. Is it Himachal?
No.
Himachal destination?
No.
No. Rajasthan destination? Leh Ladakh?
No, 6.
अरे यार बहुत बर्फ गिरती है.
Right.
अरे यार.
When it's not Himachal, it's not Leh. ये वाला question थोड़ा valid नहीं था.
Not in Himachal, somewhere in the north जहाँ बर्फ भी नहीं पड़ती है.
दिल्ली में भी नहीं पड़ती है.
Is it a hill station?
No.
Oh shit man.
ये बहुत पहले आना चाहिए था.
ये दिल्ली है.
नहीं. No.
राजस्थान नहीं है, हिमाचल
Let
नहीं
me
है.
give you a hint. It's a neighboring state to Delhi. In a neighboring state to Delhi.
यूपी.
State सही है, yes. But 10 over.
अरे यार.
It's Varanasi.
अरे यार.
It was hard.
Alright.
Read it for yourself.
Let's see what it is.
Go to the camera.
Is it a mountain destination?
This is such a tricky question. No.
No. Is it in South India?
No.
Is it in North India?
Yes.
Is it in Rajasthan?
Yes.
Is this place famous for food?
Yes.
Is it a blue city?
Yes, it is.
Jodhpur?
Yes.
How many?
7. Cool. Okay, I think I'll go for this.
Show to the camera. Show to the camera.
Is this in South India?
No.
Do we have a hostel here?
No.
It's not South India. Oh, wow. Well, then it's like the whole map. Okay, is it North India?
Oh, no.
No.
It's not North India. Man, this is so tough now. Is it a city?
No.
If you divide the map say, into half, does it
Half.
fall on the left side of the map, that is like the Gujarat and all of
Yes.
those sides?
Yes.
Yes, it does. Okay. So if it's not north and it's not south, then it has to be Gujarat or Maharashtra. Okay. Is it Maharashtra?
No.
Gujarat it is then. Wait, I am not asking this question to you. Again, is this a beach destination?
Yes.
Yes. Does the name start with a D?
No.
Then that's not the Uttaman. Is it Somnath?
No. Last question.
My parents are going to hate me if I get this wrong. I'm a Gujarati for context. Okay. I've been to this one more place. Oh, but Mandvi. Is it Mandvi?
No. And questions pure away. 10 questions.
You were right. It's Mandvi. It's in Kutch. Kutch was the destination.
So then I'm right then.
No, Kutch was the destination, not Mandvi. Mandvi is the beach in Kutch.
Okay, which one? Pick one. Alright, it's going to be... Let's do this.
Is it South India?
Yes.
Oh shit. Is it a beach destination?
It's a close yes.
Arey yaar. Is it in Kerala?
It's not Kerala.
So it's Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, और क्या है वो Andhra Pradesh. Does it? Is it close to an airport?
It's not. अबे ये कैसा question है? But where do you draw the line? How many?
30 kilometer radius.
30 kilometers. So no, it's not.
It's beachside, but it's away from like a city because there's no airport nearby. It's south of India.
वैसे बैंगलोर का एयरपोर्ट भी बैंगलोर से 30 किलोमीटर दूर है शायद.
Fair, but Bangalore के नजदीक बीच नहीं है ना.
Just saying, for example.
Is it in Karnataka?
No.
Is it in Tamil Nadu?
Yes.
Oh, shit. Now my knowledge about Tamil Nadu with respect to beaches is Chennai and Pondicherry. Max I can go is Auroville.
Oh.
Is it Auroville? Winner, chicken dinner.